हेलो एंड वेलकम। आज हम लोग जुड़े हैं VGL एडटेक की क्लासरूम लेक्चर सीरीज में। टॉपिक है इंट्रोडक्शन टू लीगल रीजनिंग फॉर क्लैट एग्जामिनेशन। मैं आकर्षण हूं। लेट अस बिगिन। नाउ फर्स्ट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग लीगल रीजनिंग। जो स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स आज अगर हमें सुन रहे हैं, सो what we need to understand is that the legal reasoning portion in the CLAT examination and other law entrance examination is not so much to test your knowledge of law as much as it is the application of those legal principles and on developing analytical and critical reasoning and ability to construct well-founded arguments. Now the next question which will come to mind is as to why legal reasoning is so important in the CLAT and other law entrance papers. Now the reason for it is, as you can see, 25% of the syllabus or the question paper of the CLAT and other law entrance examination consist of the legal reasoning portion. As you can see from the overview, over the years the average number of questions which have been asked out of 120 questions is between 28 to 32. Earlier 150 questions were asked. Now since 2023, from last year, now the number of questions are 120, where for every correct answer you get 1 marks and for every incorrect answer that you attempt, 0.25 marks are deducted. Now what kind of questions that you can expect to get in your legal reasoning section? What you get is you encounter passages of roughly about 450 words, and then on basis of that passage multiple choice questions ranging from 5 to 6 to 7 are asked, which you need to attempt. Now the consortium of NLU states that candidates in the legal reasoning section will be required to do these 3 things: identify and draw conclusions about the rules and principles presented in the passage, apply such rules and principles to various fact situations, and understand how changes to the rules or principles may alter their application to various fact situations. And the important topics from law which comprises or which forms the part of the legal reasoning passage are roughly covered from these topics of law: law of contracts, personal laws, that is Hindu law, Muslim law and other family laws, constitution, law of torts, criminal laws, important Supreme Court and various High Court judgments, and last but not the least, legal terms and legal maxims. अब इनमें सफलता प्राप्त करने के लिए स्किल फॉर सक्सेस क्या है? क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस जैसा कि आपको पता है, द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर वास्ट इन नंबर, 120, द टाइम इज वेरी लिमिटेड. नाउ स्पीड रीडिंग is the most important skill set that you can develop to attempt this paper successfully. There are various factors which VGL Legal EdTech in its detailed class teaches the students the various skills as to how to enhance your reading speed, what all to avoid. There are hacks, there are tricks to follow. The second thing, important thing that you need to do apart from speed reading is enhance your legal reasoning. Now to enhance your legal reasoning also comprises of certain basic tasks which you need to do, which we cover in detail in the classroom lectures that we give to students, where we help them understanding the basics. Now how to read actively, there is a concept of active reading, we go through that. Solving of practice problems, mock test, all those things are covered. Then we encourage students to join study groups and we also help them form those study groups and other factors which are required to be dealt with. तो in conclusion मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि वैनगार्ड लीगल एडटेक क्या प्रोवाइड करता है हमें, क्या पर्पस है, क्या गोल है जिसके लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं. The purpose is to make you comfortable with legal concepts and confident in your reasoning abilities. इसको अचीव करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, आपको क्लासरूम लेक्चर के अलावे स्टडी मटेरियल जो है, डिटेल्ड स्टडी मटेरियल जो कि लीगल प्रोफेशनल्स के द्वारा प्रिपेयर किया जाता है वो प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. मॉक टेस्ट की सीरीज़ होती है, 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग और मेंटरिंग होती है. हाइब्रिड मॉडल में फिजिकली भी स्टूडेंट्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी ऑनलाइन कोचिंग ट्यूटोरियल्स, अगर फिजिकल काउंसलिंग और मेंटरिंग की आवश्यकता है तो वो भी विद अपॉइंटमेंट वो मिलता है. सीरीज़ ऑफ ट्रिक्स एंड हैक्स आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं जिससे कि आप इस पोर्शन ऑफ लॉ को एज वेल एज दी अदर सब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर कवर्ड बाय VGL EdTech उसको कंफर्टेबली आप कवर कर सकें और करियर में, अपने लॉ की एंट्रेंस की प्रिपरेशन में सक्सेसफुल हो सके। With that, this series of lecture comes to an end. I thank you all for joining and watching. अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगा तो आप हमारे वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए लिंक को क्लिक करके हमसे जुड़ें। I wish you all a very good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.